Hello, today we will be talking about the general tips for relieving irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about tips to relieve the main symptoms of this disease. We should know that there is no cure for this disease, and there is no any medication or certain diet that is good for all of the patients or bad for all of the patients. The following are general tips that improves the symptoms in most of the patients with irritable bowel syndrome. The tips for you are to not skip meals and to have fixed times for the meals, to have more frequent meals with less size of the meal or less smaller portions, to eat slowly and chew the food before swallowing it, to prefer homemade food with fresh ingredients, to avoid spicy or fatty or processed foods, to avoid milk and cheese, to increase the fibers to your food from vegetables, nuts and fruits, but in case of fruits, not to eat more than 3 types in the same day, and each type not more than 80 grams, to drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day, not to drink more than 2 cups of coffee and tea per day, to avoid soft drinks and alcohol, to exercise, avoid emotional stress, do hobbies and try to do ways to relax, and to have a diary to record things that are causing your symptoms or increasing the severity of your symptoms to avoid them in the future. If you have any question that can be answered through the internet, please write it in the comments. The next video will be about tips to relieve abdominal pain, bloating, and gases caused by irritable bowel syndrome. Stay safe and healthy.